Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Binance P2P merchant account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And by the way, if you're new to Binance, or even if not, you can go ahead and click on the link below in the description or in the comments so that you'll be able to get an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. And it will definitely help support the channel. Okay, now going back in here, just gotta log into Binance.com. Okay, log in with your account, and once done, go to the top left. Right here, we have trade. Just hover your mouse onto it, and then just click on P2P. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go to the top right, hover your mouse onto more, and then click on payment methods. All right, once done, as you can see here, we have this button that says become a merchant. So just basically click on it. And then in here are the perks. As you can see, verified badge, cheaper fees, merchant search filters, exclusive customer support. So just basically click on check requirements, wait for it to load. Okay. Now, once it loads, all you need to do is just to follow these requirements. For example, complete advanced identity verification, click on verify and follow simple prompts. And that minimum amount of 1,000 USDT must be available in your funding account. Okay. So just basically click on deposit and deposit 1,000 USDT. Okay. Here are the available currency. All right. Now, once you're done with these steps, you can now go ahead and go to the bottom and just click on apply now. All right. That is how you create a Binance P2P merchant account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.